Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by protecting your system. Make a system restore point and export a registry backup so you can undo changes. Once done, open Registry Editor as administrator. Navigate directly to HKey Current User, then Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer, File X, and select the DLL key. This is the key that stores per user association info. You're targeting only the file x /DLL branch so you don't disturb global system bindings. Now remove the per user override by exporting the DLL key one more time and then deleting the user choice subkey beneath file x /DLL. Once you remove user choice, Windows will fall back to the system default handling for DLL files. Make sure to close Registry Editor, then restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or sign out and sign back in so the change takes effect. This preserves system-level associations while clearing only the custom user mapping. Finish by checking a few DLL files in File Explorer. They should no longer show a forced program and system behavior should be unchanged. If something goes wrong, immediately merge the reg backup you exported or revert using the system restore point you created earlier. If system components misbehave after this change, run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair corrupted system files. That fixes DLL integrity problems independent of file association issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.